Hello students, this is Anand Mishra from Uma Devi Children's Academy. So, in this video, I am going to teach you the most important topic of English. The name of the topic is countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, so let us start. At first, let us go through the definition of countable nouns. Okay, so countable nouns are easy to recognize. They are the things that can count. Okay, that can be counted. For example, pen. We can count pens. We have one, two, three, or more pens. In this way, we can say, just like I have two pens, I have three pens, I have five pens. So, the things which can be counted as numbers are come under the category of countable nouns. Now, let us take some more examples. Cat, a cat, and cats. So, cat can be counted. We can say there are two cats, there are three cats, there is one cat. Okay, so it can be counted. Next one, dog, dogs. A dog, dogs. A man, men. A man is singular and men is plural. But man can be counted. A fork, forks. A table, tables. It is also a countable noun. A child, children. Okay. A coin, coins. A tooth, teeth. Tooth can be counted. A box, boxes. A bottle, bottles. We can say there are 5 bottles in the fridge. A mushroom, mushrooms. An egg and eggs. Egg can also be counted. So it is countable noun. Okay, we have learnt countable nouns. Now let us learn about uncountable nouns. So what are uncountable nouns? Let us read the definition of uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are substances, concepts, etc. that can be divided into separate elements. Okay, uncountable nouns are substances, concepts, etc. that we cannot divide into separate elements. We cannot count them. For example, we cannot count milk. We can count bottles of milk, but we cannot count the milk. We cannot say there are two milks, there are three milks, there is one milk. Okay. So we can count bottles of milk or liters of milk. We can measure them in liters, but we cannot count milk itself. Now let us take some more examples of uncountable nouns. Just like butter. Butter cannot be counted by us. We cannot say there are 5 butters, there are 4 butters, there is 1 butter. Okay, so it cannot be counted. Let us take another example. Butter. We cannot count butter. Sugar. We cannot count sugar. We cannot say there are 4 sugars. But in place of that, we can say there is 1 kg sugar. There. Now let us take another example. Jam. It cannot also be counted. Money is also uncountable noun. Oil is also uncountable noun because we cannot count. Milk and tea. Tea is also uncountable noun because we cannot count. We cannot say there is 1 tea in the glass. There are 3 teas in the glass. Okay. So let us take some more examples. Salt. It is also uncountable noun. Flour. It is also uncountable noun because we cannot count. We can measure them only. Meat. It is also. Chocolate. Bread is uncountable noun. Honey is uncountable noun. Chicken also uncountable noun and rice also. Okay, let us check what we have learned about countable and uncountable nouns. Are these countable or uncountable? Just like chocolate is uncountable noun. So we have denoted it with U. Apple is countable noun. So we have denoted it C. Okay. So this is the list of countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, children. I hope you have understood this topic very well. So, now it's time to say bye. Bye.